Barron's ASVAB 11th edition Diagnostic Test Arithmetic Reasoning question number 12. The price of a used car was increased from $6,400 to $7,200. What was the percent of the increase? Well, we're going to have to subtract from the increase. So we're going to have 7,200 minus 6,400. And then we have 0, 0. 12 minus 4 is 8. Okay, so we know that we're going to have to divide the difference by the original amount. So we have 800 divided by 6,400. And again, remember what I taught you about crossing out the zeros. We're going to cross out 2 zeros up top and 2 zeros down bottom. Now, if you do your times tables, then you know immediately that 8 over 64 equals 1 over 8, because 8 times 8 equals 64. So this is the equivalent to 1/8. We actually could have gone through the process of dividing them by 2 until we get all the way down to that. But now we can just divide 8 into 1. 8 doesn't go into 1 one time. 8 goes into 10 once. 10 minus 8 is 2. Bring down a 0. 8 goes into 20 twice. That's 16. 20 minus 16 is 4. Bring down another 0. 48 goes into 45 times. 0.125 equals 12.5%. When you do the switch from the decimal to percent, you just move the decimal point over twice. Had we forgotten to reduce this fraction from 800 divided by 64, it would have looked like this. 64 goes into 8. How many times? 0, but 64 goes into 80 once. That's 64. Got a 7, 1. 10 minus 4 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 100, add a 0, bring that down. 160. We know that 60 times 2 is 120. 60 times 3 is 180. So we know that's 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 6 is 12. Cross out the 6. 10 minus 8 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Add a 0. Bring that down. 320. Well, 60 times 5 is 300. Okay, well, 4 times 5 is 20. So 300 plus 20 is going to be that right there. So we know that that's the end. 5 times 4 is 20. Put the 2 up here. 5 times 6 is 30. Bring the 2 down and the 3. So it's just a little bit longer if you forget to reduce the fraction. And again, 0.125 equals 12.5%. So the increase in price from 6,400 to 7,200 was $800, and that was the equivalent to a 12.5% increase of the price of the vehicle.